What up, everyone? It's Cardi-C here, back with another video for you guys. Made a run over to Target today to pick up NHL 19, play some EA SHL with my buddies. Great game. Got distracted by some baseball cards, but before we hop into some of the breaks, I wanted to share this with you guys. So I don't know if you guys are into sports memorabilia and autographs as a whole, but this is a football that I got signed in person when I went to the New England Patriots Charitable Foundation Gala last year. It's set up pretty cool. You walk in, a cheerleader hands you a ball, and then you walk around and you can get as many autographs as you can in the time allowed. Not every player is going to be over there, and a lot of these guys that ended up signing were undrafted rookies that ended up getting cut before the season started anyway, but there's a couple cool people. Jordan Richard is right there. Let's see. This is Jacoby Brissett. Chris Hogan right here. There's a couple cool guys that we have on here. Dion Lewis. Yeah, so I thought that you guys might like it, so I wanted to share it with you. Pretty cool. I'd say it's one of my more personal. It means a lot to me, this football. So I wanted to share it with you guys before we got into the breaks today. So when we were at Target, I picked up a potpourri of products. First, we got 18 Topps Chrome, some 18 Chronicles, box of Heritage High Number, then a couple value packs of Donruss Optic, and then a couple of value packs for Stadium Club too. So all this stuff is retail, not expecting to get a whole lot of great hits, but hopefully we can get some nice base rookie cards out of here. So we'll start with the value packs. See what we can pull out of here. Already we see a Benintendi short print in the back. These cards are sticking together they're real sticky, and you see there's some bend in this guy right here. That's never good. Hopefully it's not like that throughout the product. Jose Abreu. Oh, it's all so sticky. Everything's sticking together. Robinson Cano. Bumgarner. All right, now we got our pinks. Harper. I don't think these guys are numbered. I think these are parallels specific to Target. Bellinger. Braun. Springer. Brooks Robinson looking back insert. Votto. Frazier. And then we have Clint Frazier. Is this guy short printed? Yeah. So you can tell the short prints for these guys looking up in the top right corner at the little baseball up here. So I think it's just Red Thunder. That's it. So instead of it saying Clint Frazier, it has his nickname. That's pretty cool. Rated rookie. And then a Benintendi to finish it up. So not bad, not fantastic from the first pack, but staying optimistic about what else we're going to break tonight. Ohtani right on the top. Good start. Good start to this value pack. So we got an Ohtani. Zach Granite. Corey Seager, Cozart, potential MVP. I don't know, the AL East is stacked this year, though. Kershaw, Schwarber, another Benintendi, Adam Jones, Stanton, Longoria, McCutcheon, Story, and a rated rookie from Ahmed Rosario. It's a different back to these guys. I think this is an insert to the Optic set, and a Josh Bell. It's important when you're getting these cards to run through the back of them. Check out the top right. This Otani says it's a short print. So I don't know what exactly is short printed about it, but we'll just put that one over the side. When the baseball is in the top right and it's black, that's how you know it's a short print. And this Stanton, 2017 MVP. It's pretty cool. So we're gonna put the somewhat hits over to the side. I'm hesitant to call anything that's not an autograph or a memorabilia card a hit, but I guess, oh, look at this. We totally missed this. Give me 1 second. So we have an Ozzie Albies 178 of 299 that stuck to the back of this Yu Darvish card. Got some color. The aqua border. See, this is probably the best card we pulled. And we didn't even see it because it was stuck to the back of the other damn card. So nothing else. Another Benintendi short print. So if we just take a look at the other guy, I think it's just a different photo. Yeah. Short printed photo from Benintendi. Really liking Optic this year. Alright, so that's Optic. Now we move on to some top Stadium Club. For those of you who aren't familiar with Stadium Club, it is the photogenic product that Topps puts out. They pick some really nice pictures out for Stadium Club every year. This guy set the alarm off when I was walking through Target. Yuli Gurriel, Eck, Springer, Scope, Glacius, Chris Bryant, never compromise insert. We got a Mark McGwire Stadium Chrome Refractor. Wilson Contreras, Bob Gibson, and Marcel Ozuna. Now, I'm not as sure how to identify the short prints on these guys. I know the parallels, there's a different color Stadium Club logo, but I'm not sure if you take a look at the code down the bottom what the short print is. It looks like 31 is the regular base. See if anything is something besides 31. No, that's all 31. So no short print, but we got this McGwire Chrome Refractor. See what comes out of this next pack. Marwin Gonzalez, Reggie Jackson, Tommy Pham, Sandy Alcantara, rookie card, Garrett Richards, Jackie Bradley, Fulmer, Odor, Bryce Harper, Power Zone, Nice little insert. Andrelton Simmons, Pujols, and Greinke. Check the codes on these guys real quick. Make sure that we're not missing any short prints. Nope, all base. All 2018 Stadium Club base. All right, I think we're going to pop open this box of Chronicles. Seeing a lot of breaks with this product this year. It is crazy how many different subsets they have in here. You could have 8 or 9 different subsets in Chronicle if you're just looking at one guy. So 5 packs. 5 packs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 packs, and then you have a Revolution pack on the top. 5 cards per pack. And then this Revolution card pack has an extra 3 cards in there. So we'll save the Revolution card until the end. Not sure what to expect from that. Austin Hayes Prestige. Blue Aqua Nolan Arenado Chronicles, numbered to 199. Nice little card. Austin Hayes. Oh, look at this. An Acuna Jr. rookie card. Right now, the front runner to win the NL Rookie of the Year. Another nice hit. And then a Jordan Hicks rookie. So not a bad first pack at all. There's just so many different. You have the Crusade cards. You have Optic cards in here. There's just so many. Look, we got another Acuna Jr., but this is the Rookies and Stars card. Put that off to the side. Joey Votto, Chronicles, Ryan McMahon, Austin Hayes season ticket. I think these are so cool. And then an Ahmed Rosario Spectra. Chronicle, again, really cool product. If you're looking for variety and you're sick of, like, I don't know, say Topps Heritage, how everyone has the profile picture, there's a lot of different things that you can pull out of here. Another Ohtani rookie. This is a Donruss Classics. Judge Score. Anthony Santander. Ozzy Albies Prison, and then Torres Studio. I don't know if you guys can see the curve in that card. Curve's a little crazy on this. Then Torres Studio. Bellinger Prestige, Fetty rated rookie. We got a Stanton, I think this is Phoenix. Yeah, Stanton Phoenix. J.P. Crawford, numbered to 149. Oh, wow, look at this card. Panini Crusade. This is the blue parallel. So this is numbered to 149. Say what you want about Panini cards not having the logos, the licensing from the MLB, but you get some great hits in these retail boxes. Seen a lot of people have some pretty good success with it. And then Churfee again. So I haven't seen this Revolution pack before. I'm not sure what to expect. Oh, that is a lot of shine. So I think these are specific to the blasters. Got a Revolution, Stanton, Cal Ripken, Ken Griffey Jr. If you're looking to lighten up your apartment or house, just find a bunch of these cards, throw them on the wall, use them as wallpaper. There's a lot there. Throw these off to the side before we start breaking into our next box. Let's do Chrome first, and then we'll break into Heritage High Number. A lot of cool stuff here. The Target that I ended up getting NHL at and all these cards was just loaded with all these different boxes. I know I haven't given you guys a video in a while, so wanted to pick up some, build out the collection a little bit, and get some variety. So there's some curve to this. You don't really like to see that, but what can you do? Let's see what we got in here. Jorge, Reed, Althair, and then a Syndergaard. Judge, Hoskins. This is a nice card. This is the I forget what year it is, but it's a special insert series. $5 card right there. Ryan Braun, Trey Turner. Still looking for a real hit out of the Topps cards here. We haven't gotten any numbers, I think. Numbered cards, a couple short print, but Brett Gardner, Cole Hamels, Luke Weaver, feature star, Matt Carpenter, these packs are very fragile. Tyler O'Neill, David Robertson, and we get an Elvis Andrus refractor. See the shine on that guy. Severino. You see, I said the packs are fragile, but as you can see, I'm struggling mightily to open it up. Austin Hayes, Scope, Brinson, Verlander. A couple more packs of Chrome to go, and then we got some Heritage High Number. Thomas Nido, Richard Urania. Little Paul Goldschmidt right here. Guy off to the side. Joey Gallo. Verdugo. Start us off with the last pack here. Machado back in an Orioles uniform. Nick Williams, freshman flash, and Greg Bird. So then, specific to the blaster boxes, you get this sepia refractor pack. It gives you 4 cards inside. Oh, this is nice. Devers rookie card, Red Sox fan. I love the Red Sox cards. New England teams for life. Lucas Sims, Justin Bohr, Fulmer. So nothing else really in that pack, but I think this Devers is pretty cool. Got to get everyone healthy for the playoffs. Quickly coming up on us. So then last but not least, we have some Heritage High Number baseball. You can probably see Torres on the cover, Acuna. I think Soto is in this set as well. There's a lot of good rookies in the high number this year. So I think there's just one big pack of cards in here. They don't make it easy to open. I think that's a trend with all of these packs. Maybe I just suck at opening cards, but packs of cards. Yep. I think the common denominator is me. It has nothing to do with Topps or Panini. Colin Moran. Blandino. Rasmus. McKinney. Brock Holt on the Red Sox card. Jordan Hicks. Buster Posey insert. So not getting a lot out of this Heritage High number. Off Ronald Torres. A lot of people in Top Series 1 pulled cards of his thinking it was Gleyber Torres. Not so much. Lighter. Here we go. Juan Soto rookie card. This card is probably, it's going for like $7 or $8 on ComC right now. So that card alone salvaged this blaster box. Not a lot in here. There's probably some high numbered short prints, but I won't go through it live on camera. I'll spare you. Do a quick hit recap. Soto, rookie card from Heritage High number. Devers, rookie sepia. Topps Chrome. Goldschmidt, 35th anniversary. Same thing with Hoskins. We got a numbered J.P. Crawford card to 149. Crusade. Ozzie Albies Prism. Torres Studio. Ohtani Classic. Acuna Rookies and Stars. Acuna Crusade. Arenado numbered to 199. Chronicles. Got a Bryce Harper Power Zone. Stadium Chrome of Mark McGwire. Never Compromise insert from Stadium Club of Chris Bryant. Benintendi short print. Ozzie Albies Aqua numbered to 299. Clint Frazier Red Thunder nickname parallel from Optic. Rosario rated rookie. Stanton 2017 MVP. And Shohei Ohtani. So that's all we got for this little Topps Panini Target break tonight. Thanks for taking a couple minutes to spend it here with me, breaking these cards or breaking these boxes open. I'm going to go play some NHL, but I'm also working on a video right now that is covering the best places to buy baseball cards. So I'm trying to get that out within the next week or so. Keep an eye out for it, but until then, like, subscribe, and let your friends know about my channel if you like the videos I'm putting out. Thanks, guys.